Best anti-aging dinner recipes, foods that keep you young. Ever wish your dinner could actually slow down aging? Like, what if the right foods could keep your skin glowing, your brain sharp, and your energy levels high? Well, good news, science says they can.
Today, I'm sharing 2 easy, delicious, anti-aging dinner recipes that fight inflammation and keep you feeling younger, longer. So grab a plate and let's dig in.
Chapter 1, Why Dinner Matters for Anti-Aging. Alright, let's talk about why dinner is super important for aging. At night, your body repairs itself, your skin, muscles, and even your brain. But if we're eating the wrong foods, we're speeding up aging instead of slowing it down.
The key? Nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory foods. That's exactly what we're making today. Chapter 2, Baked Turmeric Chicken with Roasted Veggies. This first recipe is a total anti-aging powerhouse, baked turmeric chicken with roasted veggies.
Here's why it works. Turmeric and black pepper, a science-backed combo that fights inflammation. Lean protein from chicken breast keeps your skin firm and muscles strong. Colorful veggies are packed with antioxidants to keep your cells young.
Let's make it really quick. Steps. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Coat 2 chicken breasts and place on a baking tray. Add mixed veggies like carrots, bell peppers, and Brussels sprouts. Roast at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Done.
Yes!
Oh my, wow, so good. Crispy, flavorful, and packed with anti-aging benefits. Plus, it's so easy to make.
Chapter 3, Lentil Stew with garlic, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Now let's talk plant-based power. This lentil stew with garlic, spinach, and sweet potatoes is loaded with lentils, high in fiber and plant protein for youthful energy. Garlic, natural anti-inflammatory and immune booster. Sweet potatoes and spinach, vitamin-packed superstars for glowing skin.
Here's how you make it. Step 1. Sauté 2 cloves garlic in 1 tablespoon olive oil. 2. Add 1 cup lentils, 1 chopped sweet potato, half a teaspoon cumin, and half a teaspoon paprika. 3. Pour in 4 cups veggie broth and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. 4. Stir in 1 cup fresh spinach. Done.
Oh yes, it's creamy, cozy, and literally tastes like a hug for your cells. Plus, your future self will thank you for all these youth-boosting nutrients.
Chapter 4, Final Takeaways. So there you have it, 2 delicious science-backed anti-aging dinners. Which one are you trying first? Comment below.
And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy health hacks.
See you in the next video, Snacks That Slow Aging.
Stay young, stay healthy.